你好，可以有冰淇淋。红，对对对。She doesn't know how to do it. What? 一个。我也要一个。嗯。哦。好，谢谢。
Hey Maryjane, this is for a subscriber of the day. I'm pretty sure I'm doing this wrong because I forgot what you said to do, but I remember you said send a video on Snapchat and leave your Twitter, so my Twitter's down below.
Got some sweet potato ice cream cones, even though it's freezing outside, but hey, it's always a good time for ice cream. I love this cone. It's so good. It's sweet potato and it's vegan. To get my card, I lost my card. An ATM ate my card, but so I have to go to Bank of China to pick it up. I'm vlogging. So I have to go to Bank of China to pick it up. And somebody better give me my card. And hey, look, my ice creams. I love this ice cream cold. Ice cream cold. I'm projecting because it's a little cold, but it's so good. Yeah, but he meant.
Words I was saying, and then mom started cracking me up.
Yeah.
Euthanasia.
Uh-oh. This is nice. And hopefully, well, I know I have my card. It's cold. What? No. I got my card. It's freaking cold. But I was tight because they were trying not to give it to me. But I got it in the end. Now. It's so cold.